A really good morning. We're now in the restaurant, the Yacht Club restaurant. Today we are in Hamburg, and first we have some breakfast, and then we're gonna see what Hamburg has to offer. The view is beautiful. It's Hamburg has a lot of industry, so you see a lot of smoke. But when you look at the city center, it looks really nice. So let's see what we can make it. We heard today is a really cold day, so if it's too cold, we're just going back to the ship because I don't also want to catch a cold. Welcome to the Rathaus. This is the local government building from Hamburg. It's a beautiful city, and they did a lot of building and rebuilding. It's really, really beautiful. This is the Speicherstadt. It's one of the oldest pieces of Hamburg. There's some things that they're originally, and some of them they rebuilt because like 5 to 10 years ago it was in a really bad shape, but now they just fixing everything, and yeah, the result is amazing. It's really, really nice. The views are just unbelievable. It's everywhere you look, it's so nice. In Hamburg they have so many bridges. It's bridge after bridge after bridge after bridge, but it gets you a heck of a view. This is the St. Nikolai. It's a very high tower, but yeah, it's really nice to see. But maybe next time when we go to Hamburg, we go in it. But today it's freezing cold, so you could go at the top. But I think I'm gonna freeze out there, so we're not gonna do that. We went into the city of Hamburg, and we noticed that the water level is really, really low. Yeah, you could see just pontoons just laying there, so it's not that good. But the ship entrance is also really low. I'll just show you. And here in the back they're operating with a crane because the levels are too low to enter all the bags. So that's otherwise it's not a problem. Because of the low tide, we walking down instead of up. So that's a really strange thing. We're back on the ship now. We turned a little bit earlier than we thought, but it started snowing. And first it was okay, it was just some minor snow, but now it's getting worse and worse. I hope we're able to leave today because the water is really low. We're in the lounge again and the weather is getting worse and worse. It's raining and it doesn't stop raining anymore. So yeah, luckily we're inside. Now I am at Jean-Philippe chocolate store, and I did myself some treats. Macarons. I love macarons, and I saw them. I was like, oh, I'm gonna treat myself to a macaron. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. And yeah, Hamburg is so nice, but nee, geen but. Welcome to the Rathaus. This is the Rathaus. It's the local government building.